said in the Deepa Shlokam, Shubham Karoti Kalyanam, Arogyam Dhana Sampada, Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya, Deepa Jyotir Namostute.
I fold my hands before the light that brings prosperity, auspiciousness, good health, abundance of wealth, and destruction of enemy's intellect.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
May distract the children.
Do not take photographs and use flashing cameras. Provision has been made for professional photographers to capture moments and memories for your safe keeping. Both photographs and DVDs of the event will be made available to all the parents after the event.
Kindly do not enter or leave the auditorium in the middle of the performance unless an emergency. It is advised that you wait for the ongoing event to be over before you enter or leave the hall.
I hope you have a most satisfying and enjoyable time here.
A very good evening to all of you. It's a proud privilege to welcome you all to this evening. Our chief guest, Mr. Shehzad Muhammad Khan, will be joining us in a short while. We welcome our eminent guest, Mr. Prateek Chaudhary ji. We welcome our Executive Director, respected Principal Ma'am, heads of other Maxwood branches, the august gathering of intellectuals, thinkers, and the entire Maxwood family.
I'm Tejal Manchanda of Class 10th A.
And I'm Keshav Goyal of Class 10th B. It is that time of the year again, when we Max 14s bring for all of us our annual theatre production.
Words cannot express the joy it gives us to welcome you to the annual theatre production. Maxwood has always believed that children truly blossom when they are encouraged to explore their inner abilities and express them through music, dance, art, and drama.
You know, Tejal, I have 5 years of experience on this stage, and that too. So if musicians develop critical thinking and inculcate lifelong creative habits, we Max 14s have a vision for ourselves, which our school helps us to realize.
Oh, please, Keshav, stop showing off. As for the vision, we Max 14s aspire to become confident and positive individuals, because the positive thinker sees the invisible, feels the intangible, and achieves the impossible.
Wow! Tejal, you're actually sounding very intellectual, that is, for a change.
And you, Keshav, are not at all sounding funny as usual. Why don't you continue and say something intellectual?
Did you say intellectual?
Yeah.
Well, in words of Ralph Waldo Emerson, every artist was first an amateur. Therefore, Maxwood endeavors to provide a challenging and innovative platform for young students to realize their talent and potential through theatre-drama.
In today's program, students of class 4 to 11 have participated and are therefore most important for its success. It has been said, every child is a miracle. Since the beginning of the world, there hasn't been. And until the end of the world, there'll not be another child like him or her.
With this thought as a guiding vision for our school, let us mark an auspicious beginning to today's events. God said, "Let there be light," and there was light.
Light symbolizes knowledge. In darkness, ignorance. The Lord is the knowledge principle or Chaitanya, who is the source, the enlivener and the illuminator of all knowledge. Hence light is worshipped as the Lord himself.
I call upon our eminent guest to dispel the darkness of ignorance and illuminate our lives with the light of knowledge. And as we do so, let us evoke Lord Ganesha, the God of wisdom.
As said in the Deepa Shlokam, Shubham Karoti Kalyanam, Arogyam Dhana Sampada.
evoked the presence and blessings of our God, let us also acknowledge the presence of our honored guests and respected dignitaries. Their presence has converted our Theaterama into a galaxy of shining stars.
May we now request our Principal Ma'am to present small tokens of love and appreciation to Sangeet Ratna Pandit Pratik Chaudhary ji, a world-renowned sitar maestro.
Before we do that, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Mr. Shehzad Mohammad Khan, Director Doordarshan, our chief guest, who's already arrived.
May we now request our Principal Ma'am to present small tokens of love and appreciation to our chief guest, Mr. Shehzad Mohammad Khan, Director General of Doordarshan. We welcome you, sir, to our Theaterama and hope that you enjoy the evening. It is indeed our honor to welcome Sangeet Ratna Pandit Pratik Chaudhary ji, a world-renowned sitar maestro.
We welcome our Executive Director, Sir. Sir, kindly accept our token of love. We also welcome Taruna Ma'am. It is our pleasure to welcome Mrs. Kuljeet Kaur and Mrs. Tejender Singh. We also welcome our well-wishers from DPS fraternity, Mr. and Mrs. Anil Gulyani, Mr. and Mrs. Rajiv Chopra, Mr. and Mrs. Sethi, and Dr. Subhash Tomar.
We also welcome Mrs. Mona Lakhanpal, Principal, Maxford Pitampura, and Nameet Ma'am, Headmistress of H Block, Maxford.
Sirs, ma'ams, kindly accept our token of love and appreciation.
May we now request our esteemed and most respected principal, Mrs. Ragini Kaul, to kindly address the gathering.
I have learned that if you want your dreams to come true, you've just got to be able to take the misses with the hits. Even the best loved comedians can tell a joke that actually bonds. And the world's greatest singers sometimes sing a note off key. Actors flub their lines and dancers fall on their face. Sometimes you miss, sometimes you hit. The secret is to keep trying. A very good evening to the lovely audience gathered here this evening in support of Max Fort Rohini team. Max Fort Rohini team is indeed blessed today to have amidst them as the chief guest a visionary, a stalwart, and indeed a margdarshak of thousands and millions of people in India. Yes, I'm talking about none other but the very versatile Shri Shehzad Mohammad Khan Sahab. Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed my honor to welcome the sitar maestro of international repute, Pandit Prateek Chaudhary ji, who needs no introduction. He is the son of the living legendary Pandit Debu Chaudhary ji, and if I talk about their awards and accolades, it will take me not days but weeks together to read out the list. Some of the very prestigious awards given to them are the Padma Bhushan Award, the Sangeet Natak Academy Award, the Tansen Award, the Oyo House of Representative Honor. The list, as I said, would go on. Mr. Prateek Chaudhary ji is a brilliant performer and is acclaimed as one of the most outstanding sitar players of the country today. Prateek ji has been ranked as an A-class artist by the National Television and Radio of the Government of India. Prateek ji is not only a performer but also a reader at the Delhi University. Hence, a perfect amalgamation of a performer and a teacher, both in one, which is a rare combination, a gift from God, Prateek. Prateek ji is a friend and a well-wisher. Despite his busy schedule, he promised me he will be here, and he is there. Thank you, Prateek. Max Fort Rohini is fortunate enough to have amidst them another eminent theatre personality, the contemporary tabla maestro from the Delhi Gharana, Pandit Subhash Nirman ji, affectionately known as the Chaumukha Tabla Vadak. Born in the family of musicians, Subhash ji started playing tabla from a tender age of 4. Both maestros, Pandit Prateek Chaudhary ji and Pandit Subhash Nirman ji, play across the globe with who's who of the fraternity like Pandit Ravi Shankar ji, Pandit Ram Narayan ji, and the very versatile Ustad Amjad Ali Khan Sahab. Thank you both of you for having accepted my invitation of being here to bless the Max Fortians. I also extend a very hearty welcome to the very well-known, the very versatile, the one and only Mr. Anis Azmi ji, a script writer who with his creative pursuit has captured millions of hearts. It means a lot to us. My salutations are incomplete without acknowledging the unstinted support of my Executive Director, Sir, Mr. Gurpreet Singh ji. It is indeed my proud privilege to welcome you, sir, and to thank you for always being there whenever we need you. Your impeccable style of giving the right nod is indeed infectious. Today, Max Fort Rohini is overwhelmed with the presence of a new entrant to the Max Fort family. Yes, the young and the beautiful Miss Taruna. We welcome you, Taruna, to this special evening of fun and frolic and hope you have a nice time. My heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. Kuljit Kaur and Mrs. Tejinder Kaur for coming and witnessing the show and to be with us, to support us in this evening. I extend a warm welcome to my well-wishers from the DPS family, where I have spent more than 2 decades of my life. Mr. and Mrs. Anil Guliani, Mr. and Mrs. Sethi, Mr. and Mrs. Rajiv Chopra, Dr. Subhash Tomar, and Poonam Kaul. A warm welcome to my colleagues from other Max Fort branches. I very heartily welcome all the lovely enthusiastic parents of the very talented children who we will see perform very shortly. On behalf of all of us at Max Fort Rohini, I thank all of you for extending your unconditional support in this mega endeavor, for understanding our plan of action and being appreciative of all the hard work put in by the school team, comprising of our lovely students and staff. A special thanks, please excuse me, a special thanks to all the parents of classes 4 and 5 for their impromptu action. This function would not have been possible without the support and the hard work put in by my headmistresses, Mrs. Nirja Anand and Mrs. Shikha Dameja, and the entire teaching fraternity, along with the admin and the ancillary staff, for always being there with me to make today happen. The music department for understanding my expectations of a rock band. The long hours at work did not deter us. In fact, it brought us closer, made us more determined. No wonder it has culminated into a beautifully woven fabric, giving shape to the winds of change. Ladies and gentlemen, Max Fort Rohini is continuously striving for excellence. Excellence in academics, excellence in sports, and excellence in all other co-curricular activities. I will not dwell in the details right now because the same will be projected before you this August gathering in a short while from now. The laurels that our students have brought us in this academic session is indeed commendable because to achieve so much in such a short span of time is almost impossible. We are living in a progressive society, so it's imperative for all of us to have a progressive outlook. It should be our endeavor as parents and as school to come together to give to our children a basket of skills because success nowadays is measured by skills and not a mere profession. We are and we will ensure that every Max Fortian is a confident, grounded and an upright individual besides being a doctor, an architect, a pilot or an entrepreneur. The phrase personality development, which is often misconstrued as being charming and beautiful, is to be looked into as a larger picture. Personality has a wider meaning. It's more about confidence, self-esteem, being honest and hardworking, and moreover being proud of who you are. This foundation is always laid at the school level. Therefore, these basic 14 years are crucial. Today's presentation is one such initiative of Max Fort towards achieving these basic skills of confidence, self-esteem, standing up for each other, adapting and adjusting in a group. Sigmund Freud, a famous psychologist, rightly said, "Give me an infant for 14 years and I'll give you back what you want out of him or her." About 125 years ago, a man looked at the morning newspaper and to his surprise and horror, he read his name in the obituary column. The newspaper had reported the death of the wrong person by mistake. His first response was that of shock. Am I here or am I there? When he regained his composure, his second thought was to find out what people had said about him. The obituary read, "The Dynamite King dies." It also read, "He was the merchant of death." This man was the inventor of the dynamite. And when he read the words, "merchant of death," he asked himself a question. Is this how I'm going to be remembered? No, that's not the way I want to be remembered. And from that day onwards, he started working towards peace. You've guessed it right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm talking about Sir Alfred Nobel, who's fondly remembered by the great Nobel Prize. Just as Sir Alfred got in touch with his inner feelings and redefined his values, let's all step back and do the same, for it's never too late in life. Times have changed. The world is a smaller place now. Technology has taken us across borders. We are playing the roles of virtual mentors. It's indeed a wake-up call for all of us. We'll do our best at Max Fort Rohini, but I request all the parents to co-partner with us and help us in giving back to the society refined, conscious, caring and aware citizens. And this is possible only if there is an effective homeschooling. I know sometimes your expectations from us are very demanding and sometimes our expectations from you are very demanding. But today, let's pledge to shed aside everything and come together, for our goals and objectives are the same. If we are to walk the same road, reach the same destination, then why bother about the finishing line or who makes it first? Let's run together hand in hand for our children. Let's ensure that we make our children good human beings. For if we are good human beings, everything else follows automatically. Usually, it is said, behind every successful man there lies a woman who tells him he's wrong. But behind my success and strength, there are 4 major contributors. First and foremost, the Max Fort management. Second, the unstinted support of my young and dynamic executive director, whose absolute faith and trust in me eggs me on. Thirdly, my entire team at Max Fort Rohini, whose relentless zeal boosts my morale. Last but not the least, there are 2